Good morning. I'm doing well. How are you? Austin. Pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Pleasure to meet you. So this is her, huh?
Yeah.
Beautiful ride. How did you find the membership? How did you hear about us?
I just searched around online. Yeah, I've been trying a few local car wash guys and just kind of going through the motions. So yeah, I'm just trying to keep it clean for Uber. It looks all right, but like the seats get kind of grimy.
Yeah.
Just get random stuff on it.
Yeah, definitely. That'll help. The membership will unlock that rate for you at $50. And that'll be every time you want it, whether it's once a month, twice a month, 3 times, 4 times, however many times you need it. So that'll unlock those for you. Then we come right to you. So I'll go ahead and start unpacking and we'll dive in. All right, beautiful Model 3 all finished up. Interior, exterior detail. We actually just had a new member sign up. Obviously, as you can see, he's an Uber driver and wants to keep the car as clean as possible for all the people that he is driving around the city. So, if you're a driver, if you're looking to have a clean car without having to lift a finger, this may be right up your alley. Check out these results.